environment is everything. Means nanotechnology can be used in every way. First of all, what is meant by nanotechnology? All are letting that it's only a small thing, but it's not only of a small thing. It means we are concentrating in any matter. Means if we are taking this glass as an example, it has been built by blowing air into it. But in nanotechnology, it has been taken from atom wise. Means it has been constructed or clarified. Means 100% accuracy has been taken in this place. Means each and every atom. Means no flaws, no errors. Means hyper smooth. Next, nanotechnology and its means small. How much small it is? As you are having a hair, this is our hair particle, one hair follicle, and these are the nanofibers. You can assume that how small they are. You can also see that by using nanotechnology, we can even write our notes, means our 500 dictionary. One experiment, funny experiment has been done on an average hair of a male, not a female one, or a male one. The whole dictionary of Oxford has been written on by using carbon glowing. Next. Yeah. Nanotechnology can be used in everywhere. Means everything. I can't explain how it is because anyone can't describe science in a single moment. It is also a nanotechnology. It means that's it, friends. So much small thing. Means if we have an installation of 26 members for 26 people, how we feel? Like that. Nanotechnology is also like that. Means considering each and every atom, each and every electron, like that. This having a limitless possibilities. Means no one can escape from it. No electron can escape from nanotechnology to cause errors. Yeah, we can change the world. Now the present world is in an era of electronics. Just using the latest technology, but by using nanotechnology, we can improve ourselves. Means gaining. If we are having now 90% efficiency, by nanotechnology, we can get 100% efficiency on everything. Yeah, nanotechnology. Now our world is like this. We can all see that our world at present world is like this. All of pollution, disturbances, all like this. By using nanotechnology and cleaning, my main motto is to use nanotechnology for cleaning ourselves. From this to that, having a pure and happy environment means we have to restore our world by using nanotechnology. Applications of nanotechnology. First, electronics. Second, medicine. Third, food. Even food materials also can be nanomaterialized. Next, global peace. First, technology. We are in a computer era. Next, by thinking. See. This is a 3.5 kg hard disk which consists only 2 GB. It's from 1980s. Next, the hard disk from 1990s. It is of size of small, which is having a 200 about 150 grams like that. Next, a small pen drive like device, which is nothing more than 5 grams. It is also consisting 2 GB, and we are having pen drives even more than that, which is not having a size of 5 grams or like memory cards. Which means we are getting lower and lower and higher efficiency. Nanotechnology is nothing but gaining high efficiency by having less cost, less wastage. This is a new technology called e-paper. Previously I was told this is nothing having like a paper-like material, just a transparent fiber material which can have a nano carbon tubes. Because they are very small, they are invisible. But they can exhibit some properties by optically. If we conduct electricity, they will glow. Like that, we can have like that. We can even bend, forward, push. By having them, it becomes very easy to hide our cell phones. Next, solar energy. All are telling that we are using solar panels. But these solar panels are very high costly. By using silicon, it's been very, very costly. As though it is eco-friendly, we cannot afford that. The human need is a lot more than what we are constructing. By using solar technology, silicon nanowires, by placing a nanowires in each and every corner, we can even paint like them in our houses. And we can gain electricity. These are like nano papers. It is like a scrap paper which are holding on. But they can produce electricity. By using nano solar panels, we can increase 20% efficiency of a present day solar panel. Medicine, a lot more habit. Now we are taking a medicine from mouth and it was going to all our body. Means it has been diluted. Like if I drop a capsule in this water, its reaction changes, and then this is also. But the concentration of this level is less than this because it contains more water. We take 5 grams of capsule to our whole body, and it will affect our shaded error part. But by using nanotechnology, only we can take more amount of medicine and it will spread all over the body. But it has been activated by any X-rays or any other light waves where the part means if I draw again the same tablet example. If I drop an tablet and only spotted a laser light on it, then only it starts the reaction. Means where we want to have the reaction, on that place only we can react. See, like this nano, we all see cartoons like that and Transformers, all these things. They can fight with viruses, as in a movie like a fantasy world. On their hands, they have the medicine, and they only grab them and kill them like that, as you have seen in the movies, like hero hitting a villain. Next, food material. A lot of deviation. Even a small biscuit is also of high costly. A Kinder Joy, after having 2 grams of soft ball, is having 30 rupees cost. No friends, we are have to, because we are large in number. A single goat can be sufficient for a 50,000 members now. Like that only. By this we can increase our. On 1 year we can have a higher efficiency in our agriculture and can gain more output, and we have to store that. For that we can use nanotechnology for storing them for a long time. Next, we can save our fast foods also. Even our lovely fast food also we can save them. And even after 2050 we can have a artificial meat. Means one cell of a pig has been taken and it has pig means not. It has been pork. It has been a lot of demand in Western countries. Don't think it is every single. They can be take chicken. The cell of them is taken and it has been synthesized in an artificial manner, so that all can be happy and tell I'm a vegetarian and I don't kill. Even what food I had been taken was not killed. You can satisfy yourself on eating that. Next, finally, our tethering impact, global warming, CO2, which has been greenhouse gases, which has been having a huge effect on us, degrading ourselves. Do you know, in a previous a man's lifetime is 150 years. Today 150 is for cricket only, not for our life. Even 50 years is also not a healthy life. I'm sorry, you have a lot of diseases, not having a healthy one. In olden days, our grandpas has to they can have a conquer rocks in their hand and can squeeze them and make it into powder. We can't even make a tiger biscuit into powder. By using nano, we can use first of all water and air. Anything has to be filterized. Now it has been pollution, we have to take it in a neat manner. So nano means everything. If we are filtering it, all are thinking that the tap water is good. It's yes. Our groundwater tap water is a lot more better than what we are drinking from our household filter. By using nano filters, we can even remove the minute impurities, which will help in further. In a small span, it not very useful. But in a big span usage, these filters can be useful. Even air can be purified. Yeah. Now my new idea about nanotechnology, which I want to be implemented in the future. To change even the world, you can see that a nanoparticle is covering the whole world like a protective shield. Yeah, by decoding the photosynthesis process, which is a life process, means we all know that photosynthesis by taking a carbon dioxide and having with water, photosynthesis process and reducing the oxygen. We all need oxygen for our life surface. but it has been decreasing, and what we are exhaling, the carbon dioxide, is increasing day by day and having the ill effects. Do you know that the photosynthesis decreases the carbon dioxide level and increases the oxygen level? My idea is to make it by bottom-up process, means constructing a mechanical plant which can synthesize the photosynthesis process, and by taking the carbon dioxide and by the photosynthesis process we can use sunlight now. And even it has more efficiency than a normal tree, a mechanical tree. We can control it. Means like that, if you want a AC in the hall, like that only we can change the plant bottom tree and we can cool the environment. Next. This is a basic demo. It's not been implemented because it's my idea. It has not been implemented. Just okay. Oxygen is coming out, and what about the food material? It is also having food material now. Means it is a carbon. Why can't we even convert it into electrical? Means we are having electrical trees. Means we can charge our cell phones by connecting it to a tree. Like that, electric trees can be prepared. Why can't? We are humans. Nothing is impossible for us. So by using nanotechnology, mechanical plants can be created, and the world can be changed. Any queries? Any questions? Thank you.